Hey, this is Steve from B&M Performance and Off-Road. Today I'm happy to introduce our new B&M Locking Dipstick for the 2015 to 2019 GM trucks and SUVs equipped with the 8L90E 8-speed automatic transmission. Now please check our website for more details on different applications this may fit. These new dipsticks are made from billet aluminum fittings, stainless steel braided tube, stamped fluid level indicator, and a black mil-spec anodized aluminum 6061 T6 knurled cap with an engraved B&M logo on top. And also you have the option to use the stainless steel braided tube to add additional fluid if needed. Now with most modern trucks and SUVs, you're not allowed to check the transmission fluid without going to the dealership. We've solved that problem now with this new B&M Locking Dipstick. This will allow you to check your fluid level and check your fluid quality anytime you want to. Now this is an easy installation. All you gotta do is safely lift up your vehicle, remove that factory plug, push in our new adapter, go ahead and route your hose up to the firewall, and then safely secure down your bracket, and now you're ready to go ahead and check your transmission fluid anytime you want. Now we're ready to head into the shop and go ahead and install this on our 2019 Chevy 1500. Now with our dipstick securely mounted, you can simply just unscrew and go ahead and pull it out, and you can check your fluid anytime you want. You can see how easy the installation was, and what a nice convenient way that you can check your transmission fluid anytime you want without going to the dealership. This rugged unit allows for both cold and warm fluid check and is meant to be left on the vehicle and lock into place. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our B&M YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.